actually excited for this episode because this is actually a style I've never done before. So I'm actually just doing some twists with the Cuban twist hair, braiding hair. Yeah, so right here, this is how I do it. So right now what I'm doing is basically combing out the ends so it will be more in line. So I'm just gonna actually show you guys how I twist it. This is actually my first time, like I said. So I just put the split in halves. So I'm just gonna be twisting around one half. Then I'll do the other side just the same, and then I'll just make a twist just like that. And here's a slow-mo for you guys. I don't know if you could actually see it properly, but yeah. So for the rest of the video, I'm just gonna play some music and yeah, enjoy guys. And this is my final product guys. So for my first time I think I actually did okay. If you guys have any suggestions you can actually leave it below. Please remember to like, comment, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you guys have any suggestions at all, like I said, you can email me or put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching guys.